Today class is file management in C. Okay. File management in C. Okay. Next, you can see here in previous class already we seen what is a file and what is the types of file, how we can open a file. There are different types of file modes are there. Okay, on those modes here this file is writing mode in writing mode. Okay, next f puts test dot txt. Okay, that is the file name. Okay, next w plus nothing but that is in writing mode, we can open that in a writing mode. Okay, next f puts this is some information inside that and f puts we don't need to use for loop here, and here also f puts easier than f puts function. Okay, then f close fp. Okay, here what is the file is there, open file and closing is must and should there. You open a file and thereafter you close a file, that is must and should here, and return 0. Okay, f close is there, that f close just you can close the file, just you can close the file. Okay, by using f close only. Okay, here you can see the output of that. Okay, this is the output. Okay, what is the text file? That is notepad. Okay, that is the text file. Fprintf underscore test is the file name, and .txt that is the text file. Okay, next hash include stdio.h, that is the header file. Then after main function, int main function opening and closing braces, and then after curly braces open file, here pointer fptr, here file pointer fptr is called fopen, fptr is called fopen. Okay, fprintf test fprintf test.txt, that is the file name. That file open in writing mode, that file open in a writing mode. Okay, fprintf. Okay, within the braces you can mention there pointer name is fptr and comma learning C with guru 99, that is just you can write down anything inside that and then after close it, then after close it. Okay, then after close is fptr. Okay, that pointer is closed, that pointer is closed here. Okay, in main function you can write down okay file pointer and f open function. By using f open function, okay, you can open the text file, already existing text file is there, the text file you can open. Okay, then after you can print what is the information inside that file, and then after you can close it. Okay, here you can see in the above program we have created and opened a file called fprintf underscore test.txt in a writing mode. Okay, that file created and opened. Okay, suppose their file is not created, the file is not available, then first you can create that, then after you can open. Okay, if you have no file and if you have not created any files, or if you have no files, then must and should you can create a file, then after you can open that. Okay, directly you can't open that. Okay, after a write operation is performed using a fprintf function by writing a string. Okay, what are the write operations are there? Those write operations are performed using a printf function by writing a string. Okay, then the file is closed using the fclose function. Then the file is closed using the fclose function. Okay, reading data from a file. Reading data from a file nothing but there are three different functions. Okay, decided dedicated to reading data from a file. Okay, reading data from the file purpose. Okay, here three functions are dedicated. Okay, one is f get c, next f gets, next f scanf. F gets c, f gets, f scanf. These three functions are there. Okay, f gets c. Okay, that inside file pointer is there. It returns the next character from the file pointed to by the file pointer. Here you can see it returns the next character. It returns the next character from the file pointed to by the file pointer. Okay, when the end of the file, when the end of the file has been reached, when okay, when the end of the file has been reached, the EOF is sent back. The EOF is sent back. Okay. Next f gets nothing but here buffer comma n comma file underscore pointer. Okay, buffer comma n comma file underscore pointer nothing but it reads n minus one characters. It reads n minus one characters from the file. It reads n minus one characters from the file and stores the string in a buffer and stores the string in a buffer in which the null character backslash zero is appended as the last character. Okay, here nothing but read whatever the characters are there. Those characters are read. Okay, n minus one characters. The starting position of the character is called zero, and end of the string must and should okay add with the backslash zero. That is a string buffer. When backslash is zero is there, the compiler can identify that is the end of the string. That is the end of the string. Okay, here another one fscanf. Another function is fscanf. On that fscanf, file underscore pointer comma conversion. Okay, specifier comma variable address. Okay, these three variables are there. On those three variables, it is used to parse and analyze data. It is used to parse and analyze data. It reads characters. It reads character from the file. It reads character from the file and assigns the input to a list of variables and assign the input to a list of variable. Okay, variable pointers, variable. Okay, pointers, variable addresses. Okay, using conversion specifiers. Okay, keep in mind that as with fscanf, stop reading a string when space or new line is encountered. When space or new line is encountered. Okay, here in file reading purpose, three different functions are there. Those three different functions dedicated to reading data from a file. Okay, those are f gets. Those are f gets. F gets nothing but what is the information is there. That information we can read character by character. Next character from the file pointed. Okay, next f gets nothing but what string. Okay, string of characters. Okay, it stores the string in buffers. Okay, what are the files are there? Those files and stores the strings in a buffer. F nothing but it is used to parse and analyze data. It is used to parse and analyze data. It reads characters from the file and assign the input to a list of variable pointers. Okay, pointers, variable addresses using conversion specifiers. Okay, you can see the following program demonstrates reading the f puts underscore test text file using fgets, fscanf, and fgetc functions. Okay, respective. You can see here, okay, hash include stdio.h into main function. Okay, opening curly braces, their file. Okay, file underscore pointer. Okay, that is called file name. Okay, next character buffer. Okay, buffer stored 30 characters there and comma c. Okay, file underscore pointer is called the f open. File underscore pointer is called f open. Okay, within the brackets you can mention there f printf underscore test dot text. F printf underscore test dot text comma or. Okay, next printf read a line. Next f gets buffer comma 50 comma file pointer. Next printf percentile s comma backslash n comma buffer. Next printf there read and parse data. Read and parse data. Okay, nothing but you can see here buffer f gets function. You can see there three parameters are there. One is buffer variable name and 50 is what. Okay, 50 stores the 50 characters and then after file pointer also there. Next printf what is the buffer is there that buffer. The next printf read and parse data. Data. Okay. File pointer is called f open of f printf underscore test dot text. Okay, that text is in reading mode. Okay, then after character, okay, string 1 of 10 comma string 2 of 2 and string 3 of 20 and string 4 of 2. Okay, F scan F of file underscore pointer, comma, percentile s, percentile s, percentile s, and percentile s, comma, string 1, comma, string 2, comma, string 3, comma, string 4. Okay, printf read string 1. Okay, that reading purpose percentile s you can use there, comma, string 1. And read string 2, string 2 values read by using this one only. Okay, str2. And here string 3 purpose also you can reading value percentile as backslash and nothing but here new line. Okay, first string readed, then after comes and started from second line, and third line started there, and fourth line also started. Okay, these four lines are in new line. Okay, we can't mention that backslash n. All what are the strings are there? Those all strings in single line. You can say in single line only. Okay, when you can mention backslash n, then okay, there you can see one line by line, one after another. You can see in output. Okay, next file pointer is called f open. File pointer is called f open of f printf underscore test dot text. Okay, and comma their reading mode. Okay, while C is equal to get C. C is equal to get C of file pointer, not equal to EOF end of file, not equal to E end of file. Okay, next printf percentile C comma C. Okay, those C values are printed. C nothing but here character, and then after F close pointer and return 0 and closing braces. Okay, and here you can see a printf here what are the string values are there, those strings values are readed by using percentile s. Okay, and the result you can see here, array day line first one learning C with read and parse data. Okay, then after reading string 1 word learning, and string 2 word C, and string 3 word with okay, those are you can see here what the text is there, the text printf underscore txt test dot text file is there, that text file the information stored in this way. Okay, this is the information in that okay, this one is that one. Okay, here learning C with the Guru 99. This is one single word. Okay, but in string one assigned a learning, and string two assigned with C, and string three assigned with the, and string four assigned a Guru 99. Okay, these values are printed, and then after learning C is string one and string two. Those you can see above. Okay, here you can see printf. Okay, C is printed. See nothing but what here. See nothing but what you can see above on that. C here character is C. Okay, see 30 characters are there. Those 30 characters are printed there only. Okay, and next you can see here, okay, int main function, and here a file pointer is a file underscore pointer, and character nothing but buffer comma C. The file underscore pointer is called f open of f printf underscore test dot txt comma or. Okay, printf read a line. Next f gets a buffer comma 50 comma file pointer, and printf percentile s comma backslash n buffer. Okay, next printf read and parse data. Okay, read and parse the data there, and a file pointer is called f open of okay, that file is in reading mode. Okay, next character str1 comma str2 comma str3 comma str4. Okay, next f scan f of file underscore pointer. Okay, percentile s and per 4 percentile s are there. Okay, str1 comma str2 comma str3 comma str4. Okay, there read string 1 str1, read string 2 str2, read string 3 str3, like that. Those values all are readed. Those values all are readed. And these string 4 values, okay, those 4 values are printed in output. Okay, then after read the entire file. Read the entire file same as it is printed there. Okay, file pointer is equal to f open of f printf underscore test dot txt, that is in reading mode. Okay, C is equal to get C of file pointer. Okay, not equal to EOF. File pointer is not equal to EOF. Next, printf percentile c comma c. Okay, f close file underscore printer and return 0 here. So the meaning of this one you can see here. What are the string 1, string 2, string 3 and string 4 values are there. String 1 shows the 10 characters, string 2 shows the 2 characters, string 3 20 and string 4 okay 2 characters. Okay, like that on the text file is there. That text file, what is the information is there? That information is divided into this. Okay, smaller characters. Those characters are stored in this way only. Okay, and you can see here string 1, string 2, string 3, these four or okay, four stored some group of characters. Okay, string nothing but what group of characters are enclosed in double quotation mark and f open function is there. F open function nothing but here what is the function f open opening braces and closing braces between those two places. Their first one is the file and then after second one is mode. Okay, which mode you can want, that mode you can mention there. You want reading mode, you want writing mode, you want appending mode. Okay, which mode you can want, that mode. Okay, the next. Okay, in the above program, we have opened the file called fprintf underscore test.txt file. Okay, which was previously written using fprintf function, and it contains learning C with Guru 99 string. Okay, we read it using the fgets function, which reads line by line where the buffer size must be enough to handle the entire line. You can see there on that first one learning, second one two characters, next one with next one 099. These are the different strings are stored these values inside that. Okay, and those are mainly okay. Those are enough to handle the entire line. Okay, we reopen the file to reset the pointer file to point at the beginning of the file. Okay, we reopen the file to reset the pointer. Okay, file to point at the beginning of the file. And next, create various strings variables to handle each word separately. Okay, print the variables to see their contents. Okay, the fscanf function is mainly used to extract and parse data from a file. Extract and parse data from a file. That purpose we are using fscanf function. Okay, reopen the file to reset the pointer file to point at the beginning of the file. Reopen the file to reset the pointer file. Okay, to point at the beginning of the file. Okay, read data and print it. Read data and print it. Okay, from the file character by character using getC function until the end of the file statement is encountered. Okay, these functions you can use after performing a reading operation. After performing a reading operation, file using different variants, we again close the file using the fclose function. We again close the file using the fclose function. Okay, here fclose function is not there. Fclose function is not there. Okay, fclose function is not there. We can't. Um, what are the function? What are the files are there? Those files are not properly closed. When you can use fopen function, must and should you can use at the end of that program. You can use fclose function also. When you can use fclose function, the file is closed properly. Okay. Next, interactive file reading and writing with getC and putC. Okay, you can see here. Okay, there are the simplest file operations are there. Okay, those are getC stands for get character and putC stands for put character. Okay, these two functions are used to handle only a single character at a time. These what are those two functions? GetC and putC. These two functions, getC and putC. These two functions. Okay, we can use to handle. Okay, only single character reading and writing purpose. Reading purpose getC and writing purpose putC. Okay, we are using reading purpose we can use get C, and writing purpose we can say put C. Okay, these two only. Okay, next single character reading and writing purpose we can use get C and put C function. Okay, the following program demonstrate the file handling function in C. Okay, what are the programming on that? Hash include stdio.h, that is header file. Then after main function int main opening and closing braces. Then after curly braces open on that file pointer is fp here. File pointer is what? Fp. Next C is a character data type. Next printf file handling. File handling. Next fp is called f open off. fp is called f open off. Okay, text file, that one comma writing operation. W is so nothing but writing operation. Okay, demo.txt comma write demo.txt, nothing but that is a file. Okay, that file we are opening writing mode. Next, while C is equal to get character, okay, that is not equal to EOF, end of a file. When there, okay, suppose what are the characters are there, those characters are at the end of the file, we can't read any information, nothing but there is no information for read, there is no information for read. Okay, when end of the file is there, okay, end of the file, nothing but that is the end of that file. Okay, there is no information there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, what is the information you can want to read? Okay, the cursor at the beginning of the file or middle of the file, then reading is possible. Or end of the file also not equal to EOF, nothing but that is not end. Okay, some information you want to do right there. Okay, that's why you can mention there EOF. Next, put C, nothing but writing purpose. Writing purpose we can use a put C function there. Reading purpose we can use put C function there. C comma fp. I here close a file. Then after close a file purpose you can use f close of fp. F close of fp. Next, print f data entered. What is the data is there? The data is entered as okay. Just you can see that information in display. Okay, then you can see that the data entered. Then after only you can enter the data. Okay, next you can see fp is equal to f open of demo.txt comma reading mode. Demo.txt is the file name or is the reading mode. Next, while c is equal get c of fp. Get c of fp not equal to eof, end of the file. That is not equal to end of the file. C is equal get c of fp. Okay, that is not equal to eof. Okay, next opening curly braces and closing curly braces, between these two braces printf percentile c comma c. Okay, then after f close, fp and return 0. Then after f close, okay, then after return. Okay, you can see here. Okay, open a file, then after must and should you close it. Okay, first pointer is there, fp is there, that is open and closed, and here again open that, and here again you can close it. Okay, these two, opening and closing a file. When you can open a file, must and should not close it. Okay, that is important. That is important. Okay, you can see here. Okay, the file handling there. What is the file is there? That file. You can see the root of the file or HTTP of your file. Okay, those all are you can see here. Okay, file handling Guru 99 here. Okay, object nothing but just that is enter and control. Press enter and control. Data entered Guru 99, or you can press this there entered some information about our college. Okay, then also. Okay, next, okay, processor returned 0. Okay, execution time is 10.910 seconds, and press any key to continue. Then you can see there, press any key to you want to do continue. Then just you can press that. Okay, next you can see here what is the information is there in this program. That information you can see first. Okay, file main function before hash include stdio.h. Next file, okay, that file pointer name is fb. Next character c is a character data type. Next printf file handling. Okay, open a file. Okay, next, then after opening purpose, fopen function you can use there. On that fopen function, you can open a file in writing mode. writing operation. Okay, then after C is equal to what, get character, that is not equal to end of the file, then you can read the character. Okay, then after put C nothing but writing information purpose, you can use put C of C comma FP. Okay, next here you can see F close, that F close a file. Okay, then after printf data entered. Okay, the data is entered. Okay, in reading mode. Okay, fp is equal to f open of demo.txt comma or nothing but here reading mode. While c is equal to get c of fp, that is not equal to eof, that is not equal to eof. Next printf is equal to percentage c comma c. Okay, here what are the characters are there? Those characters are printed here. Okay, put C and get C nothing but single character reading and writing purpose. We are using those two. Okay, single character reading and writing purpose. We can use these two only. Okay. And next one you can see on that file include stdio.s, that is the header file of that next main function. And file, after file you can assign a file name with a pointer. That pointer is fp, that is called file pointer. And fp is here file pointer, and c is a data type, that is a character data type. Next printf a file handling. Okay, what are the file handling functions are there? Those file handling functions we can use here. On that first one, what fopen function. Fopen function nothing but we can open a file. Okay, already existing file is there. That file we can open in reading mode or writing mode and appending mode. Which mode you want to do, that mode you can open. Next, while c is equal to get character of not equal to end of file. Next, put c nothing but here read writing character. Okay, c comma fp. F close of fp is equal to here printf data is entered. Okay, what is the data is there? The data is entered. Next, fp is equal to fopen. Fp is equal to what? Fopen demo.txt. Demo.txt is a text file, and that is open in reading mode. That is open in a reading mode. Next, while c is equal to get c. While c is equal to get c. Okay, of fp. That is not equal to end of file. That is not equal to end of file. Next, printf here percentile c comma c. Okay, those values are printed here by using this printf function. And f close is there. F close of fp. F close of fp nothing but what is the file pointer is there? That file pointer close to. Okay, here only. And return 0. Function return a value. That's why here returning 0 and closing braces are there. Okay. Next one you can see here in the above program we have to create and open a file. Okay, what is the above program is there? On the above program we create and opened a file. Okay, called demo in a writing mode. That is demo is there, demo is there, demo dot text is there. That demo dot text file is in writing mode. You can open after a write operation is performed. When you can open a file, okay, already existing file is there, then only you can open a file. There was no existing file or there was no files are there. Okay, you can't open anything, you can't open any thing. Okay, that's why first you can open a file. First you can open a file. First you can open a file. Nothing but what? Okay. Next here you can see we have again open a file which now contain data in a reading mode. Okay, and a while loop will execute until the EOF is found. Okay, a while loop will execute until the EOF is found. Nothing but end of file. Okay, you find out the end of file. Nothing but the reading operation or writing operation is over. That's why. Okay, you can see end of the file. Okay, end of the file. Oh, there. Okay, suppose there was no anything else, there was no end of, you can't find end of file. The while loop is executed repeatedly. The while loop is repeated executed repeatedly. Okay, there you can see once the end of the file is found, the operation will be terminated and data will be displayed using printf. printf function. Or when found out end of file, okay, operation will be terminated and data will displayed using printf function. Okay, after performing a reading operation, file is again closed. File is again closed using the fclose function. Using the fclose function. After performing a reading operation, file is again closed using the fclose function. Okay, when reading operation is over, then automatically file again closed. There writing, you can write a file, then after you can close it, and also there you can read a file and then after you can close it. Okay, like that. When you can open a file, there you perform both operations, read and write, or you read it and you close it. Again, you can write in purpose, you can open it, you can write it, and again you can close it. Okay. Next here, a file is a space in memory. A file nothing but what? A file is a space. Okay, a file is a space in memory where data is stored. Okay, where we want to store that information available in file only. File nothing but what? We can store the data. Hello, hello. Sir, sir. Andy, hello. Hello, చెప్పండి. సార్ ఏమి అర్థం కావట్లేదు సార్ మీరు మాట్లాడేది. ఓకే, 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 ఓకే. ఓకే సార్, కట్టేస్తాను సార్. కట్టేస్తాను, రైట్. Okay, next here you can see, here you can see, and what is that one C program provides various function to deal with file. A mechanism of manipulating with the file is called as file management. A file must be opened before performing operation on it. Okay, any operation you can perform, then must and should you can open. You must open that. Okay, and you can see here, a file must open before performing operation on it. A file can be opened in a read, write, or an append mode. Okay, getC and putC functions are used to read and write a single character. GetC and putC function, what purpose we are using? Reading single character purpose we are using these two functions. What are those two functions? GetC and putC function. Okay, the function fscanf function permits to read. The fscanf function permits to read and parse data from a file. And parse data from a file. We can read using the getC function an entire file by looping to cover all the file until the end of a file is encountered. Okay, we can write to a file after creating its name. Okay, by using the function fprintf. Okay, and it must have the new line character at the end of the string, at the end of the text. Okay, you can see here a file is a space in a memory where data is stored. Okay, C programming provides various functions to deal with a file. A mechanism of manipulating with the files is called as file management. A file must be opened, okay, before performing operation on it. Okay, anyone you can see here, any operation you can do on files, must and should you can open that file first. Then after you perform operations, read, write, append any operation. Okay, what are the differences between binary file and normal file? Okay, numerical data also logically they can store in binary files, but numerical data we can't store in normal files. Okay, textual information only we can store in normal file, and when you can use binary file, then numerical data also we can store easily. Okay, that is the difference between okay, normal file and a web file. Next, you can see the storing of the program. Okay, you can see here. file management on that file management. Okay, file is there. Okay, what is the syntax for file open? F open function. F open within the braces you can mention there. What is that? Text and comma. There you can open in reading mode or writing mode or appending mode. Which mode you can want, that mode you can mention there, and that is F open. And F close nothing but F close within the bracket. A file pointer you can mention there. Okay, that is a variable. Okay, you can call that is a file variable. Okay, the next file pointer you can mention inside the fclose function. Okay, and then after you can see output is there. Okay, here you can see there are three different types of reading data from a file. There are three different types of data are there. Okay, next here you can see fgetC function. That fgetC function nothing but file underscore pointer. It returns the text character from the file pointed to by the file pointer there. Okay, only text by text. Okay, one text after another step reading purpose we are using getC function. And gets function nothing but gets function what purpose we are using strings. Okay, what are the strings are there? Those strings are reading purpose we are using this scanf function. Okay, f gets function and f scanf function. There are different types of characters. There those are file pointers and conversion specifiers and variable addresses. And these all are parameters of f scanf function. And f gets function parameters buffers. A number of characters and file pointers. These are the f gets function parameters. And f gets a function parameter only file pointer. Okay, which file you want to read text by text. That only you can use there. Okay, next one. And here program, what is the program is there program for f gets f scan f get c. Okay, these three are the what reading function. These three are the reading function, and these three reading function, using these three reading function only you can write down the program. Okay, you can see here first at the top of the program instruction you can write down the header files hash include stdio.h. Then after main function, then after opening curly braces, then after file is there, and a file pointer is there. That pointer name is called a file pointer, and then buffer is and character. These two are the character data type variables. And then after file underscore pointer is what is this one? This is a file pointer. File pointer assigned with the open function, file open function. On that file open function, you can see here in reading mode we can open the file. The file name is what fprintf underscore test.txt file. This file we can open in reading mode only. This file we can open in reading mode only. Okay, then after printf read line. Okay, next f gets a buffer comma 50 comma file underscore pointer. Okay, and there printf percentile comma backslash and comma buffer. Okay, printf read and parse the data. What are the data? Are there the data parsing purpose we can use there? Fscanf function. Read a line purpose we can use a string function, and read a single character purpose we can use a getC function. Get a C function character of a character. Okay, parse nothing but read and parse the data purpose we are using a scanf function, Fscanf function. Okay, here file pointer, you can see fscanf file pointer. Okay, percentile as per these four strings are there. These four strings we can read. Okay, parse nothing but what is the information is there. That information we can parse by using a scanf function only. Okay, next you can see here. Okay, here, here you can see the more parsing purpose. We are using fscanf function, and here you can see getC function is there. GetC function nothing but single character. Okay, single character reading purpose we are using a getC function here. Okay, and see the output of that. Okay, read and parse data purpose. We are using string one, percentile s, percentile s, percentile 4, percentile s are there in f open function, and that is in reading mode. We are hoping that is in a reading mode. Okay, you can see here in reading mode. Okay, here percentile s, percentile. These okay are those values we can print one after another, one line by one line, next another line. Okay, that new line purpose we are using backslash in uh, delimiter. Okay, and here you can see, okay, before main function you can write down the header files, then after main function opening braces. Your file underscore pointer is the file pointer, and buffer and see these two are the character data type variables. Okay, then after file underscore pointer is going to f-open function on that f-open function, that is in reading mode. Okay, there some file is there, then only we can open. There was no files, we can't open anything. Okay, next f printf read a line. Okay, f gets nothing but buffer 50 comma file pointers are there. Next printf percentile s comma backslash n buffer. Next here printf read and parse the data. Read and parse the data purpose we are using here fscanf function. Okay, the on that fscanf function, what are the value here, what are the variables are there. Okay, file pointer we can mention there, and then after reading delimiters we can mention there, and comma argument list. These all are the arguments are there, you can call. Okay, string 1, string 2, string 3, and string 4, these all are arguments. Those are called variables. Okay, next thing of reading string 1 and reading string 2, reading string 3 and reading string 4, 4 strings we can read there. Next printf read the entire file. Okay, file underscore pointer is called f open half of printf underscore test.txt. Okay, while c is called get c of file pointer is not equal to u f end of file. Okay, next printf percentage c comma c. Okay, f close file pointer and return 0. Okay, next one you can see in the above, there are in the above program we have opened the file called okay, which file that one fprintf underscore test.txt file. Okay, which was previously written using fprintf function. Again, it contains learning say with good 99 string. That string is written in that. Okay, we read it using the f gets function, and which reads line by line where the buffer size must be enough to handle the entire line. Okay, and we reopen the file. We reopen the file to reset the pointer file to point at the beginning of the file, and create various strings and variables to handle each word separately. Okay, print the variables to see okay their contents. Print the variables to see their contents. Okay, the fscanf function is what is that one mainly used to extract and parse data from a file. The fscanf function, what purpose we are using? Okay, those functions are used for mainly used to extract and parse data from a file. Okay, reopen the file to reset the pointer file. Okay, to point at the beginning of the file. Okay, read data and print it. Okay, from the file character by character. That purpose we are using getC function, and you can see there until function until the end of the statement is encountered after the performing a reading operation file using different variants we can close the file using the fclose function. Okay, interactive file reading and writing with getC and putC. Okay, these are the simplest file operations. These are the simplest file operations. Okay, get stands for get character, and putC stands for put character. Okay, these two functions are used to handle only single character at a time, reading or writing anything, a single character. Okay, reading or writing purpose we are using these two. Okay, next here header file name stdio.h, next then after main function and opening braces. Next file fp is the file pointer and c is the character data type, and printf their file handling. FP is called fopen. On that fopen function, you can use the text and what is the file is there. That file you can mention there. and mode, nothing but which mode you can want to do, writing mode or reading mode or append mode. Okay, those mode, which mode you can want to, that mode you can open. Binary files, reading writing purpose you can use. Okay, uh, what is that one? Or be nothing but reading binary file, WB nothing but writing the binary file, AB nothing but append binary file. Okay, and R plus W plus A pluses are there. W plus nothing but writing and reading file. R plus nothing but first read then after write. W plus nothing but first write then after read. There are different types of modes are there. Those modes are already explained in previous class. Okay, all of you see those. Okay, and here reading mode, when we can open a file must and should you can close that tab. When you can open a file must and should you can close it. Okay, and then after this is the output. When you can press that control plus Z, then data is entered euro 99, you can find out that. Okay, this is the example program for that. Okay, one nothing but there we can declare the file opening. Then after file is there, end of the file. Okay, put C function we can use there, and F close function also. Okay, the above program, what are the files are there? Those files are closed by using F close function, and open the create and open the function a file called a demo in write mode. Okay, these are all we can do. Okay, thank you. This class is over. Okay.